The John Fernetti Center for Dental Implants and Aesthetics will present Dentistry from the Heart February 28th in Iron Mountain. Dentistry from the Heart is a nationwide nonprofit organization that provides free dental care to those in need. Here's Dr. John Fernetti.
Procedures that we will provide on Dentistry from the Heart are going to be one of three things, either cleanings, extractions, or fillings. The only qualification that we're asking is that someone is of 18 years of age or older. This year, we're going to have 3 doctors participating, myself and my son, and then a gentleman from Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. We advertise that we're going to start about 8 a.m. in the morning. We'll run most of the day. Oftentimes we get rolling a little earlier than 8 a.m., and so if we can get going earlier, we will do that.
Aftercare became a very important part of this charitable event, and that's when Steve Roll of TDS Community Pharmacies got involved.
The drugstore became involved 8 years ago, and the first year they did it, Dr. John was worried that some people didn't get their prescriptions filled for their antibiotics if they had an extraction or something that they needed. So we talked, and I said, you know what, that's something that TDS can do. And so for the last 8 years, we've been filling prescriptions that are written by the doctors from Dentistry from the Heart at no charge to the patients. So if they need an antibiotic or if they need a non-narcotic pain reliever, they can come to the drugstore. Those prescriptions are faxed over to us, and they can pick up those prescriptions free of charge.
Dentistry from the Heart will be held at the John Fernetti Center for Dental Implants and Aesthetics, located at 100 South Stevenson Avenue in Iron Mountain, February 28th from 8 a.m. until 3 p.m. Anyone interested in volunteering their services for this event can call the John Fernetti Center at 774-0100.